what's up guys? It's me again, and we're finally back doing a video on the turbo build, and I'm going to update you guys on all the footage that I've lost and everything that kind of wrapped up the build from where you guys last saw it. So let's go ahead and pull this onto the driveway, and then I'll give you guys a better look, and then I'll show you guys kind of what else I had to do to finish the car and how you can do it. But yeah, let's go ahead and open the garage and show you what's up. Yep, this is the car as it sits right now. It's got some new wheels. Just finished getting the wheels done like maybe a month ago or so. So yeah, they turned out sick. Some of the wheels don't have center caps on them just because I need to get the spot re-drilled, because these are actually originally 5x120, and when we switched it to 4x100, the spot where the center cap bolts onto got messed up, so just got to get that redone. But yeah, the car is running really well. I still need to get it professionally tuned. It's 2019 now, and I really want to make more content for you guys, even if it's, you know, the little things that I do on these cars, because I'm constantly working on them. But normally it's just really small things, and especially since I haven't shown you guys the turbo car in a while, I wanted to get all the new stuff showed on video. So let's see. So like I said, it's got some Epsilon wheels. I believe the Epsilon Southern Ways. They are 16x9 ET0, re-drilled from 5x120 to 4x100, and done by my friend Luis, who also did the exhaust stuff for this car. The whole exhaust, downpipe, all that stuff was him. I got the CX Racing manifold from him, so I guess he pretty much like helped me with that too. But yeah, so this is the turbo and everything. That's all in the car. This is how it looks when it sits in. So I got the turbo there. I added a turbo blanket, wrapped the downpipe so it doesn't get all the heat everywhere. I moved the spark plug wire rail up a little bit. Got a distributor, like little block piece for the intake manifold that distributes the vacuum. So I've got this one that goes to the ECU, and that's what tells the program how much power or how much boost or vacuum I have. Yeah, and then I have all the tubing, as you guys saw from the other episode, for the intercool piping. But everything I pretty much just hard mounted. The ECU stuff was actually very straightforward too. So I got the ECU in the stock location. It's just a little messy in here. I didn't mount it back up because I expected to have to take it out again, but I think it's about time to mount this up there. The ECU is a KDFI Megasquirt clone, so it's pretty much Megasquirt. I got it for around 350 bucks. And you just plug it in, ground power, and then a vacuum goes to that inside there like I showed earlier. I have like a little vacuum tee so that one of them goes to the same vacuum goes to the what's it called, the boost gauge. So let's move on to the gauges. For the gauges, I wanted to kind of go like a classic look with the VDO, I think they're called Vision gauges, and they also light up too. So I can't see it right now, but they light up with the light over there. I just wired it in that way. And I got this little gauge panel from eBay. It's like $10-15. And then I have a wideband O2 gauge, and then the boost gauge like I mentioned earlier. And so all this stuff was super easy to wire in. You just wire in power, ground, and then the light. And of course, I also installed bags on the car, and that was actually pretty straightforward too. I bought a bag rider's kit, and I got it from a guy who bought it but didn't touch it or install it or open it. So I got it at like a used price, but it was still brand new. And to do that, it's kind of just like installing coilovers, except the hardest part is you have to run lines through the rear trailing arms, or the rear spring perches, which is not technically the trailing arms. So where the bag sits in the back, there's like a perch on top, and you have to drill a hole so that the line can come out of it. And then all the lines I ran through the holes, I believe the ABS holes underneath the back seat, and then it runs to this manifold right here. So under this trunk lining, there's a lot of wire, or a lot of hoses that I need to trim still, but I didn't trim it. So there's like a air water separator, and then all the wiring which came with the kit. It was an E30 specific kit. Sorry it's so messy, but this is the management right here. This is the old Airlift, I think version 2 management. This is one compressor and then a 5-gallon tank. This is a temporary setup. I'm gonna build like a nice wood or, you know, leather like trunk setup here, so it sits a lot nicer, but this is just temporary. The instructions that came with the kit were like really good. They came with diagrams, photos of all the little pieces, and like, you know, it had a little inventory of everything that came with it. So it's kind of just like, you know, putting together IKEA furniture, but instead on an E30. And it's not furniture, it's bags, but whatever. So it was pretty straightforward to do. I will probably try to film a bag install on Christian's car, which was the chalkboard E30. He's getting bags very, very soon, so I'm gonna try to film the process on that car. Hopefully I won't lose the footage, but yeah, and the bags, I gotta say, they're very nice. I kind of miss being on coilovers just because I didn't need to worry about anything breaking bag related. I can just drive it like how I drive my daily over there. But at least now I can go up any bump I want, and then I can go to cooler photo spots and air out and look super sick. I mean, you can't do this with coilovers. I guess you could, but I mean, right now it's literally sitting on the tire. But yeah, I'm glad about how this whole entire thing turned out, but yeah. So yeah, it's a new year. I'm really trying to produce more content for you guys, because last year I kind of slacked a little bit. I started the new drift car build at the beginning of last year, and it's pretty much done, but I still need to get an exhaust made on it because I've just been needing to get a trailer, and my dad got one, but we haven't had the time to, or he hasn't had the time to help me trailer it up. So the next thing that's gonna happen is this thing will be getting an exhaust, and I will be driving this thing a bunch. And then I will be drifting it, and I think there might be a new project for 2019, and I think you guys are gonna like it, and I'm definitely gonna film all of it as I go along building the next project, and I just need to solidify a few things, and I'm gonna be working with some cool people, so that will turn out sick. But I'm definitely gonna finish this one up and enjoy it while I can. And as for the white car, it's pretty much done. It just needs a few little things, but I'm gonna keep it how it is for the most part. I might change the color, might do the bodywork and wrap it or paint it, but I gotta see where my money should go. So I know this video was kind of a rant and just a lot of me talking, but I really wanted to update you guys on the turbo build, and I really wanted to leave it open for questions. So if you guys have any questions on how to turbo your car, or what you want me to cover more specifically, then I'll be happy to make a video about it. Like if you wanted to see how the wiring is for the ECU, or if you wanted to see more of the vacuum lines or anything like that, just let me know. I'll try my best to show it on this car and show you guys how I did it. You know, I just want to help you guys out and fill in all the places that I missed last time. So yeah guys, just to finish this rant, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment or message me here or on Instagram, and I'll be sure to get to it. I normally reply to all the messages that I get. But yeah, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be uploading a bunch of shit, hopefully, and I'm going to try to do a video every week. We'll see how that goes. Even if it's something small, I'll be uploading it, and you know, hopefully it's still entertaining for you guys. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know. If there's anything you guys want to see, let me know. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for being so absent, but look forward to 2019 and all the new content that I have for you guys. Thank you.